Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a callout comment box on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and this menu bar here you will find this comment option. Click here and this is callout comment option. Click here and select your destination where you are going to put your callout comment box. And here you can type text or and insert news text and so on. And this properties option, this right side top option, and you can change your text color and make this orange color and see this text color. You can make it increase decrease text size, bold, and you can make this bold, italic, and so on. And also you can change this call out point from anywhere and you can move it and see this. In this way we can add call out comment box on a PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.